All right, so I just got this in the mail, and this is a Keypad digital deadbolt lock with fingerprint recognition. So let's take a look and see what we get with it. I think it's going to be nice. Okay, so we've got some information here, and I think this has codes in it, so you're going to need to save this. All right. It comes in this nice little package. Yep, and it has a little thing that you can use to put it on the door. And in here, it gives you instructions on how to do it, which I don't think it's too hard. We'll figure it out. Let's take a look at it and see what we think. I believe this one's silver, but I could be wrong. It might be black. Oh, look, it is black. So here is the back of it, all right? And there's a little rubber thing on here, so you don't want to lose that. And yeah, check it out. All right, let's see if it comes with a bunch of screws. And I think this is the front plate here. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, this part is silver. I like that. That looks good. That looks real good, as a matter of fact. Yeah, and so this is the fingerprint area here, right? So this is where you do your fingerprint. Here's your keypad, and it also has a key in case you screw up. And it looks pretty simple. You've got a connector here, and it's going to connect to this white thing right here, right? So you can see there's pins there, and there's pins on top of this here. So that's got to plug into it. And then this part here is going to slip right in there. And then this would be on the back of the door, right? And so it just go kind of like this, basically. And that's how it's going to work. And inside here is the bolt. Comes with a key, which you will need. So it comes with a deadbolt, right? And it's got this face plate that you're going to need. And this goes on the door. And that's it. That's everything in the box. So now all we got to do is install it. That's our next thing.